Hey everybody, looks like we are good to go. We will get this train started right now. Okay, so I'd like to congratulate Josiah Andrews. You've won today's giveaway for about $10. Congratulations. That is already on the way to you right now. Looking at the portfolio right now. All right, we have. Things are still looking good. The ratios are about the same right now. I did buy just a little bit more of Hive, but not too much to notice right now. Hive is actually doing real. We were actually at about 20% now with Hive for the next level. XRP still doing well. Doge doing well. ETH doing extremely well these days. Bitcoin still doing what it's doing. Still making about 11 per day. If we keep going up, then I'll start probably making closer to 12 relatively soon. And part of the pie again. Pre-Bitcoin's still my main earner, along with BlockFi and Crypto.com. Doing extremely well. Again, I'm agonizing on whether to move stuff around right now, especially with what we're going to be talking about soon today. And finally, just a little bit of silliness. I finally was able to get my Crypto.com J green card, so we're doing good there. Doing extremely well. I trust them as a service really well. I'm enjoying what they're providing me right now, and hopefully they continue to do what they do so well. And on to the main topic. So it seems like DeFi really right now is taking over, which is really good. Remember that Bitcoin is decentralized finance. The fact that there's no bank in charge of it, and the fact that it is controlled by everyone else is really good. The one main worry about China right now is that most of the mining farms are in China, which worries some people. We'll see how that goes in the future. However, we just got past the recent drop from the futures, which I believe was last Friday. See if I can get a better view of that. Boom. Yeah, so it's kind of right there, but it's not really. All right, so most of this drop here was essentially just preparing for the futures. A lot of time what's happening is the whales are hedging their bet. Like maybe they bet a short, which means that they bet against Bitcoin for a lower price. Let's say that bet was $10,000 and Bitcoin's at 12,000. Well, the only way they can secure that bet is to get out of the market, secure the win, and get back in. So right now they're slowly getting back in after that drop. So that's what we've been seeing this week. It's been pretty intense, along with other coins like Ethereum just going nuts this week. Ethereum, I believe, is going up because many of its decentralized ERC20 tokens are basically taking off, which is really cool. So the main platform, Ethereum, is going up with it. But then you have projects like Yearn Finance, which has gone through the roof. It's at about $30,000. I think that the owner, and I'm not sure if they're being cryptic or not, has said that, well, the Yearn coin actually doesn't have any value. Well, right now, and again, we're at about 30,000 with Yearn. I personally think that Yearn is in a bubble, but it'll probably hold a relative amount of value. As long as they keep honoring what they're doing. And essentially what's going on is a bunch of contracts where the money is lent out to grease the wheels and you make money off of it. But again, how long can it last? How secure is it? And are they being backed by anything? A lot of the platforms I use are backed by some form of insurance. So again, Crypto.com has insurance. BlockFi has insurance. At the very least, they have an escape plan if something bad happens, like, hey, look, we're broke, but we have to pay back all of our people. Or we got hacked, so we're going to make sure that you have what you have, and you're good. And that sort of thing. So, again, I have no problem putting my faith in a lot of these institutions, as long as they have some kind of track record, and they're on record about many things. I believe the CEO from Crypto.com, his name is Chris with a K. He seems to be very vocal all the time. Let's see if I can actually bring that up. Twitter. There we go. So yeah, he's always should have brought this up earlier. Oh well. Yeah, he's always talking to the community. And a couple months back, when Wirecard went down the tubes, he was very vocal on speaking with the group. That's what I look for in a company. I like people that talk. The leader of BlockFi was hosted on CryptoLark's page a couple weeks ago. So they're very vocal. They're out there. Celsius Network has been on a few, including, I believe, some other major channels as well. But yeah, no. DeFi is really interesting. I'm gonna check out Yearn over the next couple of weeks and see what's up with that. Unfortunately, time is of the essence with things like this, so who knows? Like, I'm not gonna FOMO and I'm not gonna put in like a bunch of money, especially right now. I'm kind of busy with other projects, hence why this video is late. But yeah, no, things are going well. I'm gonna be compounding today and the next couple days some of the money that I've earned over the month, and see what happens there. With Crypto.com alone, we're at about $100 a month and rising, rising relatively quickly too. So we'll see what happens. If the price of Crypto.com coin keeps going up, there we go. Oh, that's MCO. That's wrong. CRO. Yeah, if the price keeps going up, that's going to be pretty intense for all of those who've invested into the cards and that sort of thing. Just because remember that a little over $2,000 is $1 a day with Crypto.com coin. So if it hits like 20 cents, 25 cents, if it even 50 cents, a dollar, like that's going to be insane for the people who are early investors in that platform. And again, they're giving you a yield of 18 to 20% a year depending on your level. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, no, it's an exciting space right now, and with the dollar inflating the way it is, I mean, who knows what's going to happen. You have people left, right, and center starting to realize that we've spent so much money in the U.S. that the dollar's devaluing. So it's going to be nuts, and I actually worry more and more for our future, especially with fighting in the streets and all that fun stuff going on around the country. But anyway, we'll see what happens. Crypto's exciting. Crypto's doing well. Hasn't let me down. Everything I'm doing is trustworthy. If you're interested, there are links in the descriptions below to everything that I'm involved in, neck deep. And if you want a chance of winning some Bitcoin, just leave your Bitcoin address in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, say what you think, whether you like what I do, don't like, if you agree, disagree. If you have any coins you'd like me to check out, I'd love to do that on the channel. Just let me know. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Be safe, guys.